You know, we never think about it, but
Plants are everywhere.
we kind of take them for granted. They just don't seem that interesting or useful. But plants are the reason we humans are alive. So I left you on a cliffhanger. I said plants help us live, but how and why? Well, plants rely on what humans breathe out, carbon dioxide. They combine carbon dioxide with water and energy from sunlight to produce sugar and also oxygen. This process is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis requires two sets of processes, the light-dependent reactions and the Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions involve two photosystems, 1 and 2. I know, scientists are so creative. These photosystems contain pigments that capture energy from sunlight, including chlorophyll, which is what makes plants look green. When light is absorbed by photosystem 2, water molecules are split and electrons are taken. Then, these electrons go through an electron transport chain, where ATP is produced. Shortly thereafter, the electrons pass through photosystem 1, absorbing even more energy from light and producing NADPH, another energy storing compound. That might not seem like a big deal, but it kind of is. A living organism able to transform light energy into chemical energy? Not intuitive, especially to us humans. Try photosynthesis sometime.
Yeah, no.
All of that NADPH and ATP is just waiting to be used in the Calvin cycle. First, carbon dioxide is combined with RuBP, a 5-carbon organic compound. The resulting 6-carbon compound splits into two 3-carbon compounds called 3-PGA. Then, the energy from ATP and NADPH converts the PGA into G3P. Those molecules then go on to do big things, like forming glucose or being recycled to regenerate RuBP to produce glucose in the future. And that glucose is some important stuff. It's like money. The plant can spend glucose bulking up its mass or digest glucose for energy to make seeds. So why do we care? More plant mass? That's bonus food. And given the rapidly increasing human population, that's pretty darn important. And beyond that, there's a pretty indisputable fact. Without the oxygen produced by photosynthesis, none of us would be alive right now, and this video wouldn't exist. Humanity as we know it would be completely different.
So the next time you take a walk outside, like maybe after you finish watching this video, just stop and breathe and look around at the green, even if you have just a little bit of it, because that green deserves a lot of gratitude.